Pruthviraj slurry filter 1600 litre and 900 litre units have 6 connections in all. There are 2 connections in the front side. There is 1 connection each in the right side leg and the left side leg. At the time of installation, you will need the fitments received with the product. Apart from these fitments, you may need to buy few plumbing items for extending and connecting the water supply to the unit. You may need to buy these items before installing. Now, let's start with the connections in the front. Take 1-inch MTA and apply Teflon tape on it. Thread this MTA on the left opening in the front. Attach a small piece of pipe on this MTA and then attach a T. Attach the blue colored ball valve on this T. Now let's make the connection on the right. Take another 1-inch MTA and thread it here. Attach a piece of pipe and fix a red colored ball valve here. Similarly, attach MTA and then red colored ball valve in the connections in left side and right side legs. We need to connect pressure water connection in 2 separate places on this unit. To identify the locations of water connection, look for green stickers here. Attach 1 water connection in this place first and then on the top edge. You should be able to start and stop both these water connections with ball valves. There is a 2-inch connection in the rear side. Thread the given 2-inch ball valve on this connection. Once the installation is done, kindly refer to the next video to understand the procedure to use the unit.